take this slow. We've got miles behind us, but miles to go. So let's just break this down to the simplest truth. You and I as one will always be better than two.
Well, we're here to give you a quick update on where we're at and what we're doing. We still got some few more sailing videos to do, but right now we're just trying to stretch everything out to make it last a little longer through the summer. But right now we're trying our green thumb in gardening, and we started these. Well, from the pumpkins from seeds, and they just taken over the garden, and we got some watermelon in here somewhere. We went to Texas for about 2 weeks, come back, and everything is really grown up. But I think it's doing pretty good because we had a raccoon or something come in and get 2 of our melons over here. These are smaller pumpkins, leftover seeds from the raccoon eating our melon. We got a couple in cages. He even took one out of the cage and ate it. Like so, we came back and these things grew like crazy, grew into each other. Hard to find where they're all at. Let's see. Oh, here's a big pumpkin right there.
There's a good sized watermelon. I hadn't even seen that one.
And we got a got a nice watermelon over here going. I think we get 2 more watermelons over there.
There's probably some in here, but
yeah. Anyways, we failed miserably on taming this beast. So anyways, we're here today. One, because we haven't got a video ready to put out, and this is a quick way to throw one out and to keep everybody up to date. The boat has sold, so we don't have to worry about it anymore. I think the waters in Florida is like the mid-90s right now, so the growth on the bottom of those boat was just terrible. We hope the new owners enjoy that as much as we did.
Also, we had told you we were going to Hawaii. That's kind of out now. I was offered a position, but the pay was what I was making in Tennessee, and the cost of living in Hawaii is triple Tennessee, at least double.
Oh, I mean, you can get an 800 square foot apartment room, whatever, from like $3,000 to $5,000 a month. So
then after I declined the position, they've now upped the pay to exactly what I was asking for. But we already have new plans, so scratch Hawaii for a while.
Yeah. You gonna tell them what your plans are? Or?
Right now we just bought a truck. Eric will tell you about that. But we're moving on with the RV plans. So I'm starting an online job on Monday, and we're on the RV search.
Yep. So I have a few videos. I'm not going to show them to you today of some of the truck buying process. Well, everybody knows how to buy a truck, and maybe I'll talk about that a little bit later. But that was interesting. That was fun. That was Sarah's first new vehicle to buy, so that was kind of a roller coaster ride, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So was selling the boat roller coaster ride, because you want everything to go perfect. And we're up here in Tennessee, the boat's down in Florida, so you have your challenges there. So what else we got to add?
I guess that's all I can think of right now.
Well, like I said, we're going to have a few videos. They're going to be about every other week or maybe every 3rd week, putting them out. Just because we don't have a whole lot going on right now. We're waiting until December, maybe January, to buy an RV. We're thinking of the 5th wheel, just because that's when they usually are very deeply discounted. If you go new, well, just the market, nobody's hardly buying them. So then they really start discounting them deeply, and you just get your best deal in the wintertime buying an RV. So that's what we're waiting on. In the truck, we didn't wait because they said it was going to take 6 to 8 months. Well, we want to be kind of on the road by then.
And trucks you would think would be easy to buy, but they're still in high demand.
In
There's
high
still
demand.
shortage,
Yeah, plus
for
plus-
a heavy duty.
Yeah. We got it done. We got a 1-ton dually truck, and it should pull whatever we get. So for now, we'll just keep you posted, you know, every 2-3 weeks, get a little video out. And like I said, we got a couple more sailing videos left, and then we'll get into the boat buying process and getting a truck and, you know, an RV and stuff. But for then, thanks everybody for watching. All the pleasant comments we got, and a few people we got able to communicate with and talk with them a little bit. If you guys need any advice on anything, we'll do what we can. I mean, we're no experts or anything, but we can give you what we think. We answer emails. But you know, just stick with us and follow along with us as we continue on this journey of traveling. We might change our YouTube channel name
To SunBums Adventures.
SunBums Adventures instead of SunBums Sailing. So just keep that in mind.
And we might hopefully get out this fall and show you more of Tennessee.
Yeah.
Do a little hiking.
So, but thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.